disgusting, but at least did the job and it's not rusted, so that's good. This is the spare wheel. Well, because it's not as easy to find gaskets for these old cars, we're gonna need to make our own. And this is exactly what we're gonna do next. This is what I'm using. One hole done. Just need a little bit more. Now we just need to find the right hole. So we're gonna make the holes with this one. See which one fits actually. Looks about right. Well, meantime, we need a tool to open this because here is where we put oil in the gearbox. So we need to make a key. Brilliant. Okay. Yep. What we've done, we drained oil because we just had some oil to clean the engine and to spin it around. So we drained oil. Now I'm gonna untie this cap just in case there's any oil left in here. And I'm gonna put some sealant on the gasket. Okay, what key I need? Time to take a bath. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna leave this 10 minutes. In the meantime, okay. Now we wait. Okay, 10 minutes has passed, so now let's fit this back. How was it? Like that? Oh. Washer and the nut. The other way around. Okay, finish with the Talbot for now. You put the filler cap when you drain the oil, no?
Yeah, I did, and I tried to do that.
It looks dodgy.
So this is what came out.
But do we know how much we need?
So 5 litres came out,
5 liters.
even out of pistol oil.
Is Jessica? With that? Okay, let me bring you back.
And there's nothing there.
Oh. Well, other side? Maybe still it's quite thick. Maybe it's still draining. Now then to put some oil in the gearbox and to use that special tool.
Yeah.
That's
Looks
good.
hardly going to be more than finger tight. Yeah, can I put you up in the air?
Yes. What, you want to measure
I
something?
want to see whether it's going to come out that overflow hole.
Oh. What's wrong with you? Do we have like something for to check the level?
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for.
Ah. He'll be shocked if you're gonna see asbestos, or he expects that. Since he's inspecting all cars, he knows that it's on the Talbot. What we can do actually to leave the rest of this dodgy whatever it is to leave it on, and all we need is on mechanical parts to remove it. So we're gonna need a machine to clean it probably. Trying to take out the brake hose. If it has that mark inside, that's not a good sign, isn't it?
Nope.
You need to clean the whole braking system this
I think we need to replace all the pipes. But
all of them or just the ends
what
or
the hell
everything?
is this? Where's my vernier? No, it's not.
You see any light?
Well, that's a pretty good match. Yeah.
0.6.
0.686.
Sit down before you forget. Well, in order to find the thread, I think we're gonna need this book. Oh dear. Oh God.
16 TPI.
This is what
That's
we're looking for.
measured. 9/16.
No, we need 11.
Exactly.
We're going to try to clean this. Looks absolutely terrible. With a new steam cleaner that we just brought. This car, probably to protect it, but we need to get rid of it. So we're gonna try it and see maybe we can do any magic because the car was fully covered by stud when we took it. Right. Hey, time to taste it. Okay, we have beeps. That's good. Maybe. We need to read the instructions. Oh la la.
Section 7.
Okay. I heard the proper engineers never read the instructions, but here we are. Something in there. Fill the detergent tank with water if not using detergent. Connect the handle CVP to the machine. It's always a good thing. You stop the beeping. Pin is a big one. Press the red. What else? Start to have a little pressure. I know what I'm doing. Doing something. Oh, here you go.
Concentrate it in one place.
Okay. Smoky. Oh, doesn't seem to do so much. Hopeless.